Man, look at that. All of that is in that little first aid kit. The Surviveware small first aid kit, and also the Surviveware large first aid kit. Okay, let's open up the small first aid kit. First, it is listed as a 100-piece kit. It's inside some type of a plastic bag here. If we turn it over, we'll see all of the items listed. And there is a lot of stuff in this little pack. Well, I gotta say, my first look is pretty impressive with the case, the little pack, zipper pockets. Everything is well organized on the inside. There's just a lot of stuff, and they even have a lot of everything labeled on the back. You got some little straps with MOLLE type stuff. You could hang it on a backpack or wherever you want. As far as the weight goes, I don't know yet. I'll probably weigh it, but it's not too bad. I believe you could stick this in a backpack. It's so well organized that I really don't want to take everything out, but because I am reviewing this, we're going to take everything out and lay it out. Wow, look at this thing. There is just so much stuff inside this kit. Wound closures, cotton swabs, bandages, emergency blanket, more bandages, CPR kit, antiseptic towelettes, band-aids, a little kit that you can keep your personal medicines in, Q-tips, scissors, tweezers, tape, even has an emergency whistle. It is 17 ounces, okay, 17 ounces. All right, on the Surviveware large first aid pack, let's take a closer look at the bag. I'm just gonna turn it. It's pretty self-explanatory. All right, there it is, all laid out. Now keep in mind, there's probably about 3 pounds of first aid gear in there. Yes, I am impressed with what I'm seeing so far, and this one will probably travel with me in my vehicles, especially the adventure van. All right, there's so much stuff inside that kit. I didn't know if I was going to stop pulling stuff out. I mean, there are hidden compartments, zipper bags. There is just an amazing amount of stuff inside this first aid kit. Too much for me to mention. I'll just kind of sweep the camera over it. Ice pack. They even have a mini first aid kit inside of the big kit. You name it, they've got it. Things for splinters, bandages, scissors, more tweezers, CPR kit, dressings, wound closures, alcohol pads. There's just so much that I don't think they forgot anything. I really don't. There's a lot of stuff that could help you in here and help someone else. Man, look at that. All of that is in that little first aid kit. I like both the large first aid kit and the small first aid kit.